Tonight we are at East Coast. This is called Surabaya Food Festival and we are going to try some yummy things. Come on, follow me. Hi, my name is Alex.
Saya Pranata.
Welcome to Fat Line Express. In your belly. She's from Surabaya and she doesn't know. But why they are so big? I mean, what is inside?
Nothing. There's nothing inside.
Nothing inside.
Yes.
One of my favorite foods in Surabaya is satay. Reminds me a lot of food at home. It's called anticuchos. I really like this place. Somehow reminds me of my city. We have vendors, street vendors. We have people, of course, walking at night, very late at night, around midnight, 1 a.m. I feel like home. I'm gonna cry. Today we have Sophie. So what are we going to eat tonight?
We're going to eat Nasi Sayur and Nasi Goreng Pak Djo.
What is Nasi Sayur? What is Nasi Goreng Payo?
That's just fried rice.
There is any difference with Chinese food or something like a fried rice? I heard fried rice or China, Thailand, Vietnam. What is the difference?
Just a little bit different. Maybe the taste is different.
The taste is different. The ingredients?
The ingredient is just maybe almost similar.
Almost say nah. The color. So it has just reddish, orange color plus the rice on it.
We have chicken.
Okay, that is chicken. Okay, good to know. Everybody's watching at you now. Everybody's watching at you.
What is this?
Good, right? Good. I like it, have to admit it. But we're still feeling proud of our food. Our food is one of the best ones around the world. 5 years in a row.
Edit,
5 years in a row.
Edit. Good ride.
The winner.
Good
The
ride.
winner. This is the winner.
Really?
This tastes much better than that one.
Really?
Yeah, seriously. More MSG. Right? Wow, it was really nice. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Sophia. How much was everything at the
Only
end?
for 42,000 is
$4.
yeah, about $4.
Both of them.
Yeah, both of them.
$4. Cheap. Sophie, what we are going to drink?
Lemon tea?
Lemon tea. Cold?
Yes, cool.
Back home we have something called emoliente. It's a drink made of herbs. It's very healthy, very nice. But we drink it hot because our weather in Lima especially is very cold. So I hope people get fun here in Surabaya.
In Surabaya? Not much.
Not much. That's it?
Just go to hotel. No. You have fun. It's like playing. You can go to Surabaya Carnival.
Surabaya Carnival. We should try that one once. We should try that one.
So that's it for today.
Woohoo!
Yeah?
I got fun. I really enjoyed tonight. I really enjoyed the food. I have to admit it is a really nice food, nice taste, but it's too little. It's too little. Then we were walking around. I see people likes to have fun until 10 p.m. After that, everything is closed.
No, we can move into some malls. They're open until 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Yeah.
What we can find in those places?
Girls?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Please leave your comments. Again, tell me where you want me to go, where you want me to try more new food, Surabaya food, Indonesian food, non-spicy food. Spicy.
He loves spicy food.
Please subscribe and comment. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Dum